Professor Mahant. I am managing the online and distance learning program for Graphic Era University, and I'm also part of the core group of the Graphic Era University in taking policy decisions at a high level. And our university has been established from 2008, but prior to that we were a technological college. And Graphic Era's unique USP is the promoter, Mr. Kamal Ghansala ji, is actively involved in all aspects, including delivery of lectures to this day in both the universities. The unique proposition of our university is we have students earning while doing internship at our university itself with multinational companies like Google, Microsoft, Meta, name it, and you have students interning and earning 1 lakh or 2 lakhs. And we have got students earning even up to 84 lakhs during their placement season. The USP of our university is it provides you a very comfortable ecosystem, top qualified faculty, fantastic hostels, top class food, customized to the regions of their stay. And we got mentorship programs being done by our faculty and numerous senior leadership. So it's not just we're trying to train you or give you a degree, we're trying to develop you as a holistic person who will succeed and survive in life. And we give you life skills, we give you people skills, and we give you high quality education. That's the specialty of Graphic Era deemed to be university. Thank you very much.
Like you see here, this is now we have 2024. Like this is the highest package we have got 50.91, but around in this batch itself about 10 plus students have been placed. Because it depends on various courses, so we cannot say specifically a particular course. And again, as you saw, there are a lot of scholarships. Like students who have got 95 and above gets 100% fee waiver, so on it comes down. Then being a State Hill University, we give for all the people from Himalayan states 25% concession outright, and then for girl child we have 10% concession. For army and paramilitary forces including police we have given 5% concession, and apart from that time to time special cases are taken, so we cannot put a fees into a particular structure. Again, we have got plethora of courses, so like BTech computer science will be different, BTech mechanical will be different, BCA would be different, nursing would be different, pharma would be different, so there are different.
Let's say you start from 100, you're almost free till 94, 95 and all. So then it keeps coming down, right? So you get scholarships on the tuition fee, and then there are different scholarships for if you're a girl candidate or if your parents are in defense. All these criteria really apply to you, okay? So and our chairman is really, really kind. I have seen him waiving fees for people in the defense who have lost their parents and unfortunately serving the country and all. I cannot think of anybody who could. This is an entrance exam which is tomorrow, 13. Unfortunately or fortunately, it's the election for Telangana and Andhra also. So those of you who could just get in, register and do it. If you do well in this, you will get fantastic discounts. Okay, it's a Graphic Era common entrance test for multiple programs. You can go to the website and further details are all available to you. This is one big family, and our motto is transforming dreams into reality. Now, what I would like to do is I have the honor of inviting Mr. Balla and Madam Balla on stage for a minute and this counseling. And a little bit about them I'll tell you. I have met their kids just a couple of times, but they're wonderfully behaved and wonderful kids. See, end of the day, it's not important what degree you get, whether you're an engineer, doctor. It's more important to be a good human being. And I can proudly state in front of them, they have produced 2 wonderful daughters who are really very, very, I respect them for the kind of children they are. And forget what you do in life, it's not important. It doesn't make a difference if you're MD and a thug. What is the use of it? If you're cutting somebody's kidney and selling, what is the use of it? So they have produced real kids, and I think that is the biggest achievement. And I would like them to speak a few words, and I would appreciate if they can speak in Telugu itself, because that makes more sense to you all. Although I understand a bit of Telugu, but I'll appreciate if they can speak in Telugu. Alright? Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Andarki Telugulo cheppala?
I hope everybody understands Telugu here. Okay.
Then మీరు yes లో చెప్తే అలాగే మాట్లాడతాను. నేను కూడా తెలుగువాడిని కనుక. సో మేము యాక్చువల్గా మా పిల్లలు విజయవాడలో చదువుకున్నారు. పిల్లలు ఎంటైర్ స్కూలింగ్. అయితే మేము విజయవాడ టు ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్ మూవ్ అయ్యాము వాళ్ళు 12th క్లియర్ చేసిన తర్వాత. సో వీ సర్చ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ కాలేజెస్ ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్లో సరౌండింగ్స్ అండ్ ఆల్. మాకు నచ్చింది ఒకటి ఏంటంటే నాకు భాషలో డొనేషన్. మన కాలేజీలో ఎంసెట్ సీట్ తర్వాత ఇంకేమైనా ఉంది అంటే ఒకటి డొనేషన్ ఇస్తే మనకి అడ్మిషన్స్ చాలా ఈజీగా వచ్చేస్తాయి. సో నాకు ఏ కాలేజీలో కూడా వాళ్ళు స్కోర్ చేసిన మార్క్స్ని రికగ్నైజ్ చేయలేదు. ఓన్లీ డొనేషన్ మీరు ఎంత కడితే, మా ట్విన్స్ కనుక ఒకేసారి కట్టాలి. సో 8 to 10 lakhs డొనేషన్ అడిగారు ఇది ఇనిషియల్లీ ఈచ్ పర్సన్. సో నాకు నచ్చలేదు అది. సో అదే 8 to 10 lakhs నేను వాళ్ళకి 4 years చదివించి బెటర్ ఫెసిలిటీస్ తోటి బయట ప్రపంచం చూసేటట్టుగా, ఓన్లీ హైదరాబాద్, ఓన్లీ ఇక్కడ తెలుగులో మాట్లాడే కాలేజెస్ ఎందుకు, బయట ఎక్కడైనా చదివిస్తే బెటర్ కదా అని చెప్పేసి నేను అప్పటికే ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఇండియా కొన్ని కాలేజెస్ సర్చ్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాను. కర్ణాటక, బెంగళూరు, చెన్నై, ఢిల్లీ అలాగా. సో అప్పుడు GU గురించి వెబ్సైట్లో చూశాను. దెన్ వీ వెంట్ టు ది కన్సల్టెంట్ ఆల్సో. సో పర్సనల్గా నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఢిల్లీలో అటు సైడ్ కూడా ఉన్నారు. వాళ్ళ ద్వారా కూడా నేను చెక్ చేయించాను యూనివర్సిటీ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఇది ఎలా ట్రీట్ చేస్తారు, గర్ల్ చైల్డ్స్ కదా, మరి అంత దూరం సేఫ్ ఉంటారా, హాస్టల్ ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి, ఇవన్నీ కూడా. సో ఇవన్నీ చెక్ చేసిన తర్వాత మీరు నమ్ముతారో లేదో, ఎప్పుడే కాల్ సార్ అడిగారు వెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ బీన్ టు Dehradun. So that was the first time we have been to Dehradun for the kids admission, and that was the last time, sir. We never been to Dehradun again after that. So what I am trying to say here is, we feel so secure about our kids in your college, so that I have never been felt to go and see them. They are coming on their vacations to our home, Hyderabad. There is a direct flight facility also, Dehradun to Hyderabad. So such a wonderful atmosphere. They never feel like home, coming sick home. Homesickness లేదు వాళ్ళకి. They have good friends around. Hostel facility is good. Food facility is good. So I suggest I would love to you people also to look into this entire curriculum, respective to your subjects, whatever you are procuring into the future, wherever you are wanting to move. I think it's one of the good steps you will be taking in life. Like parents, how secure it is. Today, మన ఇంట్లో ఉన్నా కూడా పిల్లలు సెక్యూర్ లేరు వాళ్ళు, రైట్? అంటే ఇంటికి గడప దాటితేనే మనకి భయం వేస్తుంది, ఆడపిల్లలు ఇంటికి వస్తారా లేదా, ఎలా ఉన్నది ప్రపంచం అనేది. అలాంటిది మేము some hundreds of kilometers away. So we are living alone here, both, and they are in the hostel and college. So we never felt anything